Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Megan Risica and I'm a fashion and lifestyle vlogger. And today I am doing a huge fall Trader Joe's haul. It has been a minute since I have went this hard at Trader Joe's, but I made the most of my trip. So many pumpkin and seasonal items. So let's get started with today's haul. All right, so this is the first round. I think I have like 2 or 3 more bags after this. I wanted to get all the refrigerated and freezer stuff out of the way first so I can put that in obviously my refrigerator or freezer, but this is part 1 of all the goods. All right, so we're gonna start over here. There are some new items, some basics, light cream cheese. I love this spreadable butter with olive oil. I've never tried this before, but I saw it and had to have it. So this is the Wine Country chicken salad. This is a new item. This is the chicken uncured bacon ranch dip. I think that'll be really good with some like pretzel thins. I got some mozzarella cheese. We love these turkey patties. They're delicious on the grill. So moving over, I got the pumpkin ice cream. Again, one of my favorites. I just love to enjoy every seasonal delight, but this is one of my favorites. I love these pumpkin waffles. They're just good to warm up in the morning for a quick breakfast. This is a new to me item. This is a refrigerated protein bar and it's seasonal and it's pumpkin. So I scooped that up. Not seasonal is the pesto chicken breasts. Love those. Some prosciutto. This is new. I thought David would like this. This is a root beer float bar. I feel like he's gonna like this. And I'm pretty sure this is seasonal too, but from the summer it was left over. Another fan favorite and my favorite, the butternut squash mac and cheese. This is a new to me item. This is the Caesar broccoli bake kit. So I'll be trying that. Butternut squash mac and cheese bites. Again, another favorite, a great little appetizer. I'm really excited they brought this back. The pumpkin cream cheese spread is so good on the bagels, which I also have, but it's not ready yet. Spanish style rice. I pick this up almost every time I go to Trader Joe's. Pepper jack cheese. I'm gonna make some salsa verde tacos. The overnight pumpkin oats, rolled oats with pumpkin puree and spices. Again, another favorite. The pumpkin Greek yogurt, non-dairy oat maple beverage is so good. And I'm gonna put it in, we have like pecan pie coffee from Target. I just think that will be chef's kiss. Chimichurri rice with vegetables. Pumpkin gnocchi. Again, another favorite. This is new to me. I've never tried this before. I picked up like 4. This is the pumpkin spice cold brew. I love the peppermint cold brew. That's one of my favorites, so I'm sure this will become one of my favorites as well. Sliding over, the pumpkin cheesecake. That's my dad's favorite. The pumpkin cheesecake croissants. Those are also delicious. This was new to me. This is dog treats. It's the harvest brunch, so it's turkey, apple, pumpkin, and waffle recipe. So I'll probably break these up for the girls. The last couple refrigerated items is this non-dairy almond vanilla unsweetened milk. This one actually isn't, like, you don't have to put it in the refrigerator until you open it, but I just put it in the refrigerator automatically. This is the non-dairy pumpkin oat beverage. Again, good for cold brew coffees and lattes, all of the seasonal stuff. So I'm really excited to try this. I don't think I've ever tried this before, but it's always been on my radar. So I'm happy I was able to scoop that up as well. This is a new to me item, and this may be a Michigan thing. I'm not 100% sure, but this is like hop water. So it tastes like beer, but it's non-alcoholic. So I grabbed that for David. I love these so much. These pumpkin cranberry crisps are amazing. standard pumpkin pancake and waffle mix, cornbread mix. Moving over here, the pumpkin O's. This pumpkin walks into a bar, cereal bars. Again, another easy like breakfast grab and go item. The spooky Oreos, Halloween JoJo's. The pumpkin spice snickerdoodle cookie mix. This is a new item. I cannot wait to try this. Snickerdoodles are one of my favorite kinds of cookies, so I am sure this is going to be amazing. Pumpkin blondie brownies. These are delicious as well. More pumpkin spice protein bars. This lemon juice is my favorite. I think it's seasonal, so I just keep grabbing it whenever I go to Trader Joe's. Avocado oil spray, another favorite. This is a new to me item. I got this for my sister. This is the cinnamon roll blondie bar baking mix. That looks fabulous. Some favorite candles. The Harvest Apple or Honeycrisp apple. Vanilla pumpkin you can't go wrong with. You can't go wrong with pumpkin butter. The Fall Harvest salsa. Sounds delicious. Pumpkin spice JoJo's with sea salt. Yum. The pumpkin body scrub. I grabbed this for my mom. And the pumpkin body butter, again for my mom. The maple sea salt kettle popcorn. Delicious. You're probably gonna be able to hear my dogs eating behind me, but that's okay. Also got Chomps. The apple cider scented foaming hand soap. Again, I get this every year. I've never tried this before, but I'm gonna cook this tonight for dinner. This is the garlic bread. Yeah, you bake it at home. So I'm excited to try that. I also got naan bread. That's for tomorrow's dinner. Again, a tried and true, the carb savvy whole wheat tortillas. If you've been watching these videos, I pick this up just about every time. I also pick up this every fall season. This is the butternut squash pasta. This is a new to me item. This is the thick, bold, and spicy red sauce. I'm excited to try that. I also got the fall leaf tortilla chips. I miss this every year. Like I always want to try these because they're so cute and I never get them, and this year I was able to get them. The pumpkin bagels, again to go with the cream cheese that I showed you earlier. The pumpkin spice teeny tiny pretzels, another favorite. Pumpkin hand cream. It's the dry season. These are basic and boring, but 2 limes, an avocado. Moving over here, I got sea salt and rainbow peppercorns. This is clearly a Michigan thing. I got honey. This is from the Michigan Bee Co. I also got the honey hydration day cream and night cream. I'm excited to try that. The pumpkin bread and muffin mix, another favorite. Pumpkin flavored JoJo's. This is a new to me item. This is for David. This is the chili lime flavored fried pork rinds. Another favorite that I get almost every video is the garlic olive oil. Another seasonal favorite, the autumn harvest soup. Organic pumpkin for the dogs to put in their food. Hoisin sauce, this is a new to me item. I think this is new to Trader Joe's too, but I grabbed that. You know I love the everything but the elote seasoning. Pick that one up whenever I need it. And then good old Dijon mustard. This completes the haul. I do have one more thing that I have to pull out, and I'll show you my Halloween decor too. And then this is my Halloween mantle this year. And I got the cinnamon brooms from Trader Joe's. I put them on the side of the fireplace. And that's my table.